Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about errors and their types. So question is arises that what is meant by error? There are so many errors occurs while performing any practical or measuring something. So some errors are occurs there. So why these errors are occurs? So first upon we will know what is meant by error. What is meant by error? So error is nothing but the difference between true value and measured value is called as error. The error can be defined as a difference between true value or measured value is called as error. For example, suppose that this is a beaker halfly filled with water and this is a thermometer. This is a thermometer. If I started to boiling this water and water is boiled well, so I recorded here a temperature of the water is 90 degrees centigrade after boiling the water. It means that this thermometer is a faulty instrument. Why? Because we know that the boiling point of the water is 100 degrees centigrade and recorded temperature is a 99 degrees centigrade. It means that this thermometer is a faulty. So error is occurred while measuring the boiling point of a water. So it means that the thermometer is responsible for that. So why errors are occurred? The errors are occurred because of the faulty calibration of a instrument. In other case, suppose that this is a meter scale. This is a meter scale made up of a metal strip. But when temperature raised, the metal strip is expanded. So climatic condition or weather is also responsible for measuring the physical quantity. So what will happen here? In this case, this metal strip or this a meter scale is consist of metal or steel, and when temperature will be increases, its length will be increases. So that's why there will be a definitely error will be occurred while measuring a length of something. So this is called as the instrumental error. So what is the exact definition of error? So I can write here uncertainty in the measurement of physical quantity is called as error. There may be a MCQ on this definition of error. Uncertainty in the measurement of a physical quantity is called as error, or there may be a underline under the uncertainty. In the measurement of a physical quantity is called as error, or uncertainty is the measurement of a physical quantity is called as ... So answer will be error. Okay, so this is the definitions of error. So now let's see what are the types of error. So error can be classified as like this. Types of error. Types of errors. So errors can be classified like, first, least count error. Least count error. Then instrumental error. Least count error, instrumental error, random error, systemic error, accidental error. These are the types of error. First, least count error. Second, instrumental error, random error, systematic error, and accidental error. Let's see one by one. What is meant by least count error? So when we want to measure a very small physical quantity, and if the instrument having a large least count, then what will happen? There will be a certain error will occur there because of the least count error. We can't use ordinary balance or ordinary weight box to measure some grams of gold or some milligrams of gold. So what will happen? 101% there will be error will be occur. So for that purpose we must need to use a proper weight box, that is called as the fractional weight box, for the measurement of a gold. If I want to measure a radius or thickness of a pin, so I can't use there a measuring tape or meter scale. I would like to measure that diameter of that pin using a screw gauge. So what is meant by least count? So least count is the minimum or minimum value of a measurement can be taken by that particular instrument, that is called as the least count, the smallest value of measurement. In other words, I can say that the smallest value of measurement that can be taken by using the given instrument is called as the least count. So for example, if you want to find out the least count of vernier caliper, so there is a certain formula for that. The number of the smallest division on main scale, main scale divided by total number of division on vernier scale. So smallest division, that is 1, and vernier scale, the 10 divisions are there. So 0.1 mm or 0.01 centimeter is a least count of vernier caliper. So this is called as the least count of that instrument. So instrumental error. So what do you mean by instrumental error? So instrumental error are those errors which occurred by faulty instruments, or environmental condition. For example, thermometer is not well calibrated, then what will happen? It will show the wrong temperature. So calibration plays a very important role in instrumental error. So instrumental error can be minimized by making a correct calibrations of that instrument. So sometimes the environmental condition also responsible for the instrumental error. So how this instrumental error occurs? So suppose that this is a metal strip. When temperature will be raised, these strips will be expand. So what will happen? When temperature will be increased, its length will be expand. So no doubt about that, the error will be occurred while measuring the length of any material or anything. When temperature is lower, so what will happen? The strips will be compressed. The strips will be compressed, and we will get a 2 to 3 mm less length of that particular material. So this is called as the instrumental error. So what is meant by a random error? So random error occur repeatedly. Random error occur repeatedly. Repeatedly occur here. Error is called as the random error. Then systematic error. So what is meant by systematic error? The systematic errors will always happen in a one direction. Systematic error is happened in a one direction. So direction is what? We suppose that this is a circular scale. This is a circular scale of a screw gauge, and this is the main scale of a screw gauge. So here is a 0. So here is a 0 error because 0 is coincide to the main scale line. But if it is coincide here or it is not coincide on this line, so this is called as the negative error. When it is coincide here, so this is called as the positive error. So there are two types of errors occurred in a systematic errors. There are two types of errors occurred in a systematic errors. So this is one directional error, either it is a positive error or either it is a negative error. So last point is the accidental error. So accidental errors happens because of very high value or low value of result. High value or low value of results. So sometimes results come with a very high value or sometimes results come with a very low value. Such kind of results or occurs which is a error, and that error is called as the accidental error. Such kind of errors are called as the accidental error. So combination of error. Combination of error. Combination of errors. Combination of errors. So in first case we can write here, x plus y is equal to z. X plus y is equal to z, or x minus y is equal to z. So maximum value of error is the maximum value of error is delta x plus delta y is equal to delta z, is equal to delta z. So if we take a second case, in second case x into y is equal to z, or x upon y is equal to z. So we will get maximum fractional value, that would be z delta z upon z is equal to delta x upon x plus delta y upon y. This happened in a second case while multiplication or division. In third case, it is in a exponential form. It is in a exponential form, means z is equal to x n plus x raised to m, y raised to m, p raised to dash. Z is equal to x raised to m, y raised to m, and p raised to p dash. So maximum fractional error, the maximum fractional error will be in the equational form delta z upon z is equal to m plus n delta y upon y plus L delta p upon p. So these are the three cases we have studied in combination of errors. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you.